अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल हैं? ठीक ठाक हैं? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन, हम भी सब खैरियत से ठीक ठाक हैं। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग डियर व्यूअर्स, डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली from all over the world. Welcome to my channel. Dear viewers, today we are going to make musk melon juice smoothie. प्यारे दोस्तों, आज हम खरबूजा गर्मा कह लें, गर्मे का स्मूदी और जूस बनाने जा रहे हैं। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा। इंशाल्लाह घर पे आप ट्राई भी कीजिएगा और नीचे कमेंट्स में भी बाद में बताइएगा। So dear viewers, you can try at home. Later on you can comment below and let us know how did you like it. I keep trying fruit juices and smoothies at home. I love it. So I'm going to share with you guys whatever I like. Dear viewers, so this is musk melon, Garma in our language. Beautiful, fresh looking. Mostly they are very sweet and beautiful aroma, beautiful smell. So let's try. Let me cut it into small pieces and make it for you and share with you. Dear viewers, musk melon, Garma, kharbuza, I have cut into pieces, added 250 to 300 ml water, clean water, drinking water, and we are going to blend it right now. It will be ready. So juice and smoothie will be ready. As always, it takes only few minutes. MashaAllah, amazing look, amazing story. And by the way, dear viewers, while I was cutting into small pieces, I have tasted already. It's very sweet, pleasant taste. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Yes, dear viewers, juice smoothie is ready. Musk melon juice smoothie. I hope you guys will like it, love it, and please comment below how did you like and did you try at home. So let's try, let's taste. MashaAllah, Subhanallah. Perfect taste, very healthy drink. So guys, you can try at home and enjoy this drink, which I always enjoy at home, different fruits and smoothie, juices. MashaAllah. So dear viewers, thanks a lot for your precious time. So nice of you. So as always, I request you all, please like, watch and share and comment our videos. Don't forget to subscribe please our all channels. So nice of you dear viewers. Okay प्यारे दोस्तों, हम आपसे इजाज़त चाहते हैं। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको ये खरबूजे का, गर्मे का स्मूदी जूस अच्छा लगेगा और आप भी ट्राई करेंगे एट होम। हेल्दी ड्रिंक है ये. So nice of you. Okay dear viewers, so nice of you for your beautiful time. See you next time inshallah. Bye. अल्लाह हाफिज़ प्यारे दोस्तों. Bye bye.